Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting my day off with some coffee and some skincare. So I'm using the 4-3 Beauty Toner, my Ula Hendrickson products, which would be my Truth Serum, the Sea Rush Brightening Cream, and the Banana Bright Eye Cream as well. And I'm just making sure I get all of those into my skin really well before I start with my makeup.
Treat us like we're fools. We're underestimated and boxed in. All judgmental labels spread us thin. We can run away to another place. No need to worry, you'll be my safety. We can run away to another place. No need to worry, escape reality.
To begin, I'm using the ABH eye primer, the pea size amount, and I'm putting that all over my lid up to my brow. And then I'm using all of the pastel shades in the very bottom row that I have in my She's a Rainbow palette from Colourpop, as you can see. I did use that very last purple shade kind of in the inner corner to mesh with this pink right here that I'm using, but I do add that later on. But just keep in mind, I am going back and forth with all of these shades to really build up the colors, and I'm using them all in the order that they are in the pans. So yeah.
Oh, we can take this world by storm.
I really wanted to take the time to build up that mint color and this blue color just so they popped a lot, especially for when we cut our crease into a cloud formation.
Just hear me whisper that your dreams lie here with me.
So I should have cleaned this up with like a makeup remover or the Vaseline trick or something before I went in with just the eye primer, but you know, it's fine. Anyway, I didn't really get it on camera, but I did put it into a cloud shape, and I'm using the white shade from the Norvina palette from Anastasia, and I'm putting that all over the cloud and into the crevices, I guess you could say, just to really define the shape of it. Next, I'm taking the ABH glitter primer, and I'm going to go in with the Mia Cosmetics Dawn pigment with some ABH glitter on top of that. Just a little tip, if you put a small line of liner across the top of your lashes, this will really help blend in your lash band. Pro hack, if you get glitter all over your face, just take a piece of tape and pat 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 and it'll all come off. Next, I'm going in with the Lash Brag mascara by ABH, and you see my little puppy in the corner, he's so cute. Anyway, I'm taking that, putting that on my lashes, and then I did do all of my full face off of camera, and I will finish everything else on camera. But now I was deciding on which lashes to wear, and I picked One and Done by Bold Face Makeup, and I was going to show you how I trim and cut a new pair of lashes, like a fresh pair. So I do take them off the package very carefully with some tweezers. I measure them to my eye, and then as you can see, I'm cutting off the excess that hangs off of my eye that does not fit. Generally, I know how much I'm cutting off a lash, just because, I mean, I'm used to wearing falsies and everything, but if you haven't done this before, just be super careful. If you do end up cutting them too short, they're gonna look a little wonky and they're gonna go to waste. So yeah, I just cut what I needed off, I put lash glue on it, and then I'm gonna trim the next one while that lash glue is getting tacky. I measured it just to be safe, but like I said, I generally know what I need to cut off for my eye shape at least. And then after I put the lash glue on this lash, that one is tacky and ready to put on. I will say, I don't know, I think it was just me today, it was just not a good lash day for me. I was struggling a lot, and you'll see later that I had to go back and try and put some lash glue on the end because it just was not sticking for me. So yeah, they gave me some trouble today, but you know, it is what it is. They looked fine afterwards.
Maybe.
After my lash fiasco, I'm taking the purple, the yellow, and the mint color, and I'm putting all three of those shades under my lash line, and then I'm taking the Prance gel cream stick liner from Colourpop, and I'm placing that all on my waterline and my lower lashes. and it gives it a really nice pop, and it goes really, really well with this pastel look. After mascaraing again, is mascaraing a word? I don't even know. I'm using the Dawn pigment again, putting that on the inner corner of my eyes because it's super bright and so pretty. I do have a discount code with this company if you're interested. I will put it down below. And then I did put on my brow bone as well, and I set my brows with the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. Next, I'm taking Bronze Booster Bronzer from Physicians Formula on a JH brush, and I'm just putting that all over my face. And then I will use the same brush and use the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Brighten Up Mood Light Powder all over my face for an overall natural glow. And it's my favorite powder ever. It's so freaking gorgeous, so you will see in a second. You want to stop me up, and sometimes I just need you to try and take it. I'm using this Tarte palette and mixing both blushes together for a rosy little cheek, and they're super cute together. And then I also mixed the two contour shades together. One kind of more shimmery-esque, the other one's really warm and matte. Anyway, I'm using both of those for my nose contour and also under my lip to give a powderier effect. Sometimes I need you to be better. You don't claim me, but I know you love me. You want me. You wanna take me out in your little coach, and then you in that noche. We're up to the sunset. You wanna stop me out. This is where I'm using the Jaclyn Hill powder that is so freaking pretty, and just, you know, patting it all over my face, and it gives a really, really pretty overall glow that's super natural on the skin, and it looks stunning. I wanted a different type of highlight than I usually go for, so I'm using Pink Heart from the Moonchild palette from ABH, and I'm just placing that on my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, my forehead, pretty much everywhere, and it gave a really pretty glow on my cheeks, and I really liked how it turned out with the eye look. Angel baby, take me with you. I want to be yours tonight. You kissed me once and I fell in love with all your trouble problems. The Morphe Continuous Setting Spray is the freaking best. My favorite setting spray. I really wish I had the mattifying one, but your girl doesn't have that right now. So I use the regular one and it works perfectly. This shirt ties on the front and it's super cute, and these earrings are from Shein as well as this shirt, which I will film my plus size clothing haul from them. I got all my orders in and they're super freaking cute. So this is the makeup that I did, and then I will have this makeup on in the video because I'm filming these on the same day. So I took the Maybelline Stay Matte Ink in Explorer and the Maybelline Shine Shot, which is just a clear gloss, and put that for my lip combo today, and that completes the makeup look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and it was super easy peasy to follow. So just remember that I love you and thank you for watching. Bye.